It's that time again for your May 2025 real estate update for the Conroe and Woodlands areas. We've got fresh numbers, some surprising shifts, and a few trends that buyers and sellers need to know about heading into summer. Let's break it down. If you're new here, I'm Bren Brewer, your favorite realtor, and let's get into it. Now let's start with the big picture for Conroe and the Woodlands and compare it to last month. There's 6,471 active listings in May. That's up from 5,985 in April, about an 8% increase. There were 1,400 homes that closed. That's up from about 1,100 last month, a 28% jump in activity. The median sales price is up to $355,000 from $345,000 last month, and the average days on the market improved to 77, and that's down from 84 days on the market last month. The median days is 33, which is also better than last month's 44. And our months of inventory dropped to 4.5, which is down slightly from 5.3 in April. So what do these numbers mean? Well, the market is getting busier, more homes are being listed, but more homes are also selling and faster. Prices are trending upward. We are not in frenzy mode by any means, but we are definitely in motion. So let's zoom in on what happened across a few key suburbs. In the Woodlands, prices jumped to $660,000, and even with more listings, homes are still moving in under 10 days, as long as they're priced right. Buyers are out there and they're ready to act when the right home hits. In Conroe, the median price dipped slightly to $310,000, but sales also increased. Conroe continues to be a great value market, and homes that are priced well are still moving. Spring saw a boost in both sales and prices. Median price hit $352,000, and it was one of the busiest areas this month. A great balance of activity and stability. Out in Magnolia, we had a huge price jump, up from $331,000 last month to $354,000 this month. Magnolia is one to watch heading into summer. Demand there is definitely growing. Now out in Porter and New Caney, prices softened a little bit to $277,000, but sales were up. Still one of the most affordable spots across South Texas, and it's staying active. In Lake Conroe, the median price rose to $359,000, and both listings and sales were up. With summer approaching, lake homes are getting attention again. So what does this all mean for you, whether you're selling, buying, or just trying to keep a pulse on the market? Now sellers, if you're thinking about selling, here is the good news. Buyers are out there. In May, we saw a huge jump in closed sales, and homes are moving faster than they did in April. That means demand is real, and the market is heating up heading into summer. But here's the catch. Inventory is also rising. We've got more listings now than we've seen in over a year. So while buyers are active, they also have more to choose from. This means your home has to stand out. Gone are the days of tossing a for sale sign in the yard and waiting for 10 offers. The homes that are selling quickly right now, they're clean, well staged, priced appropriately, and professionally marketed. If you're ready to sell, this is a good window, but it's not automatic. The homes that are prepped and positioned correctly are the ones getting showings and strong offers. The others, they're sitting. And if you're unsure where to start, that's what I'm here for. I can help you price strategically, prep effectively, and hit the market at the right time with the right plan. Now, if you're buying, this is one of the better times we've seen in a while. Why? Inventory is up, so you have more homes to choose from. Days on the market are down, but not in panic buy territory by any means. You actually have time to think before making an offer. Prices are climbing, but they're not skyrocketing, and that gives you room to negotiate, especially if you're looking at homes that have been sitting on the market a while. And here's the key. The longer you wait, the more likely prices are to keep nudging up. So the good listings, they're going fast, and we don't know what interest rates might do next. So if you're on the fence, this might be your moment to make a move before the summer rush peaks. The bottom line is whether you're on the buy side or the sell side, this is a market where you need to be prepared and act with intention. For sellers, that's going to mean great photos, clean staging, and strategic pricing. For buyers, that means getting pre-approved and knowing what you want. And no matter which side you're on, it means having someone in your corner who knows the local market inside and as always, real estate is hyper local. What's happening in the Conroe area may look totally different in your specific neighborhood. If you want to know what your home could sell for today, scan this QR code or click the link below to get a free, no pressure home valuation. And if you're ready to talk about buying or selling, or just want a better understanding of your options, call, text, or email me anytime. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next month.